Yes. What's happening, peeps? Welcome back to the channel. I don't know if you remember, if anyone's watched it, but a few weeks ago, or about a week ago, I fitted a new one of these to a transshitter, and what I'm going to do is an experiment. Now, I've done this before, but it was before I started filming these dumb videos, so I didn't film it. This is quite interesting. You can see where it's fucked up as well. But anyway, this is where you have carbon build-up, soot, all that shit. And what we're going to do is we're going to attack that with some of your finest specialist tools, Mr. Muscle Oven Cleaner. So we're going to fill it up, let it soak, and then simulate an exhaust, I suppose, and blow it out. So let's do that and crack on. So you take some of this this oven cleaner, and we're going to fill it up. And it's foaming this, you see. Hold on. Hey, look, it seems to be working already. Now I did do this on a turbo. Look at that, it's blocking the hose off itself. I did do this on a turbo, and it was quite interesting because I filled up the turbo, left it to sit for a bit, started the car, and then it put a pile of shit on floor behind the car. It was really satisfying. I'm hoping this is going to do something similar, but it probably won't because I'm filming it, so it'll fuck up. But I'm going to fill this up now, so I'll fill it up with oven cleaner, and then I'll show you what that looks like. Right, well, this has been going for about half an hour now, and as you can see, it's doing a job. And we're listening to Energy, which is just for G's like us. Yeah, my foot tap aim was a little bit off, so I've just refilled the shitter. But if you look at this, watch this. Hold on. There we go. Seems quite effective actually. So let's leave that to soak for another half an hour or so, and then, well, maybe longer. No, we'll see. And then see what happens with that. Oh yeah. That's a complete waste of time. I'm just fucking about now. It's been soaking for a bit now, so I'm going to blow it out. As you can see, it is doing something. Yes. If I can blow it out, I better toss this off because I stupidly put a load on the outside, which I shouldn't have really done. I was just being stupid. But we can see that even if you're wiping it, it's quite an effective cleansing agent. Agent to the shield. Look at that. Anyway, let's do what we're meant to be doing. Right, so now it's been soaking a good while, and as you can see, it's nice and bubbly. So we're going to simulate some exhaust pressure. So I've got my lovely assistant holding it down. So let's see what comes out if I push this on here. Yes, yes. Look at that. And as you can see, that is a real good way to make a fucking mess. But if we rinse that off now, I suspect it's going to be pretty clean. Let's do that. Right, so we'll give it a blow job with Airline, and if you look at it, it has loosened the carbon up really well. But normally this is done on like turbos, fill the oxide with it if you start sticking VMT veins and stuff, and you're not going to put an hose pipe in the turbo. Well, that's what we're going to do with this, just to see. Let's do that. Yeah. Let me get this side as well. And that is just with the oven cleaner soaking it and been left. I've not scrubbed it at all. That's quite impressive, really. Thought I'd waste some more time and effort and oven cleaner and give it another dose. So let's rinse that lot off. Yeah. Look at that. Anyway, it was all a waste of time and effort because it is in fact fucked anyway, so we'll just hit it with an hammer.